Hello, welcome back. I'm Kunnu and today we are going to learn how to install WordPress via Softaculous in cPanel. In the software section, this is software section. Click on Softaculous app installer. On the left side screen, you should locate blog. Okay, blogs. Here you can see blog category. Click on it and then click on WordPress. Okay, click on the install button. Install button. Okay. Okay. Fill the necessary field under the software setup field. Okay, choose protocol. You can leave this as it is, or if you are using HTTPS, like, okay, then select HTTPS. Otherwise leave this as it is. Choose domain. If you have multiple domain, then you can choose from here drop down list. Okay, in directory, if you want to install this in directory, for example, example.com slash some blog, enter the directory name, or otherwise leave this blank to install it on your main domain example.com. Okay, if you leave this as it is, if you will leave this blank, then WordPress will be installed on your main domain. So I am going to install it on a directory some blog. Under the site settings field, site name, enter the name of your website, such as my first website. Site description, you can add description, anything like whatever you want. Okay, leave this as it is. Okay, under the admin account field, in admin username, enter your WordPress admin username. For security reason, I do not recommend it to use the administrator or admin username. Okay, so enter different username, like enter new password or use password generator, and copy this to notepad. Okay, in admin email, enter your WordPress admin email. If you are using, like, if you are using a Gmail, etc., then enter your Gmail email or whichever email you are using. It's very useful when you want to reset your password, because of WordPress reset password sent on admin email. Okay, under choose language, select language from drop down of WordPress, for example Spanish, or leave this as it is. Select plugin. If you want to install limit login attempts, then click this, else leave this as it is. Click on plus button to expand this option. In database name, you can enter database which will be easy for you to remember, like WP John. Okay, table prefix, you can leave this as it is or change it. Disable update notification. Softaculous send us a notification that WordPress latest version is available. Okay, so you can, if you want to disable it, then disable this. Auto upgrade, this will automatically upgrade your WordPress to latest version. This will upgrade your WordPress plugins, and this will upgrade your theme. But I do not recommend this option, because of if you are using customized theme, if you do some customization in footer, header, etc., then it will be overwrite. Automated backup, you can leave this as it is or choose a once a day, once a week. I do not recommend this once a day because it's a too much. You can, however, it's depend on you. Okay, you can, from here you can choose rotation to 1. Okay, select theme. From here you can choose theme. Currently you can see 3 themes. Click on this option. Okay, if you like this theme, then select this. Otherwise WordPress will use default theme. In email installation details, enter your email address, and Softaculous will be send installation details to your email. Okay, now click on install button. It can take few minutes, but depend on your website speed. WordPress has been successfully installed. Some blog, and this is admin area. This is admin area. Okay, log out. You can enter your username, password. Okay, and then click on login. Thanks for watching.